Okay, people, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about Obln. Now, currently the session is still going on, and the date is the 20th of January 2021 at 6:35 BST. I'm not quite sure what time that is for Americans EST, but we can see that the stock's risen almost 400% today, at the time of filming, and now that is crazy. Now during pre-market, the stock broke out of its normal trend here because of a merger announcement, which was announced after the session was closed yesterday, causing the stock to go up nearly 80%, which is crazy, which caused it to go onto a lot of stock screeners and a lot of people to see on their software when they're screening for stocks for day trade tomorrow. We can also see that the RSI is completely overextended right here and right here. Now, the overextended RSI here didn't have that big of an effect on the stock here. It didn't have that big of an effect, but the overextended RSI here started this absolutely gargantuous bear trend. Well, it's not that big of a bear trend compared to everything else, but if we look at the percentages, it's actually a very big bear trend. That's 20% of the stock gone, wiped out, just like that within 2 hours, pretty much 1 hour to 2 hours. 20% of the stock has just completely been wiped out. But from just general logic, we can see that the stock sort of consolidates for a bit and then it rises. Okay, and then it consolidates for a bit, and then it rises. So perhaps this is a sort of consolidation stage with a tinge of bearishness to it. But we can also see that the RSI has never even gotten close to the 30 line. Like, it's not even. I mean, it's come close here, but we can. What this shows is this stock has a lot of momentum, and it's not going to be reversing anytime soon. It's coming close now, actually, while the session is going on. As I said, I'm filming this as the session is going on. I can't seem to delete this. Hold on a second. Yeah, it's coming close now, but I'd like to see, for me to still be bullish on this, I'd like to see this to reverse again and not touch 30, and for it to come up again. But we can also see, if we just clear this, I believe this stock is following fib lines. So if we get out a fib line here, and we draw the fib line, let's say on here, from the bottom to the top, we can see that the 0.5 line is right here, and this is where it retraces until before it starts bouncing back up. We can see, everyone sees 0.5 line on the fib line, and then it retraces down to the 0.5, and then it starts bouncing back up. So logically, if we were to put this back on there, we can look at that 0.5. Sorry, my bad. So from where the uptrend starts up to the very top, we can see that the 0.5 line should also be around here at 7.41. So I'd like to see a bit more resistance before I either open a position or I remain bullish on it, because it is acting upon the fib lines here, so perhaps it will act on fib lines here as well. But we can also see a massive sharp increase in volume. The volume over here is about 200, and then over here it's just crazy, all these day traders coming into day trade the stock. 42,000, 20,000, 7,000. Day volume of 313 million. I mean, this is a volatile stock, if you ask me, but it is following trends. It is following a bull trend, a bearish trend. It's not choppy like CCIV or any of the other stocks that I've been looking at. And because there's a lot of volume, we can see a clear price action on the chart. We can also see that the MACD has been completely extended. This is because of this sharp price increase. It's near the center, and then here it's everywhere. It's on top, underneath. You can see that the MACD is completely overextended here. The EMAs and the signal lines completely overextended. Let's see. It does look like it is bouncing here, perhaps, but we will see. But the stock is in fact at an all-time high, and as I said, it is near 400%. This was up 400% for the all-time high, so I wouldn't be surprised if it kept on going down, which it does look like it is doing right now. But yeah, that's my analysis of price action for today at 6:40 BST. Is it 6:40? 6:40 BST. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy my price action analysis, please do hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Thank you guys. Peace out.